Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your TCL 605 into the lost database on the IMEI info page. Alright, so first we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all checking options on this site, and also in that same video I'm showing how to find the IMEI number on your TCL 605. So if you want, you can look for that video. So once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. As you can see now, our TCL 605 appeared on the screen. Scroll down until you find the basic checks and click on Lost Device Add. Okay, as you can see, our IMEI number has been automatically copied. If you want, you can always add the second one, a second IMEI, and also the serial number. It is not necessary, but you can always do it. Alright, now we need to type the city where we lost our device. Now we need to also type our email. It will be necessary later. Now our phone number. Remember that you need to also type the country code and type your phone number. And now enter the price. If someone will find it, that's like the reward. Now the country where it happened. And now the description. So now we need to describe the circumstances of the loss of the device, or we can also describe the item. So now I'll describe it as an example, and I'll see you once I finish. Alright, so that's like an example of the description. You can see right in here. Below, type your contact name. Now, enter the incident date, and remember that you need to enter in this format, so first type the year, then the month, and then the day. Alright, below we have those agreements, simply agree, and click on report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, now we need to open up our email, because we need to confirm our request. So, find the mail from the IMEI.info and click on verify request. Alright, your report has been verified. In here we have the result and like a preview how it looks like in the database. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.